everyone, today we are going to show you 3 ways to wear the Twilly. This is the Fuchsia Twilly. You can choose to wear it more towards the pink side or more towards the blue, your choice. The first way is just a very simple tie around the hair, just like so. Bring it behind the ears at the nape of your neck and just tie a simple knot. It's a really cute summer look, and you can step out and keep your hair in one place. The second one is definitely a more elegant look, and for that I wore my pearls, as you can see. And it's pretty simple. You take your Twilly, bring it behind your neck, put it in your pearls, and then just thread it one more time, both sides, and then bring it to one edge and tie a knot there. Definitely make sure that the pearls are showing. And I think this is a really cute look. And for the last easy way to wear your Twilly, I am going to bring out a bag that I recently got from artisans in Italy. It is a company called Myrta, and I absolutely love this bag. Very well made and great Italian leather. They're small artisans, so it's if you like it, definitely go to their site. It's called Myrta, M-I-R-T-A. So what we're going to do is wrap the Twilly around the handle, and you've seen this many different ways. What I'm going to do is do a little bow at one end. So start with the side that you do not want the bow on. So we're going to start here. You take one edge and hold it, and then start wrapping. So you're going to hold it with your thumb. I don't know if you can see it. And then just wrap on top of it so that you get a hold of it like this, so it's like secure inside. Once you get to the other side, what you're going to do is make a little bow. So you're going to hold this little bow. And you're gonna have one edge in the back, which you can tuck in or not. It's your choice, but you're gonna fluff this up and have a really cute bow. I'm gonna tuck this edge in. There you have it. How cute is that? So I hope you like the 3 ways. Let me know if you want me to show you more ways to tie the Twilly. I'd be happy to. Until then, have a great summer, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.